Hi guys, if you're just tuning in, which you won't be tuning in because it's YouTube, we're in Wales again, inside this lovely abandoned house, and we've actually found a working paraffin lamp. We found it lit and everything.
This is a really long intro.
It's quite lit, isn't it? Yeah, it is an intro.
So, what, Norton?
Welcome. So, welcome to the Urban Explorer and Adventure Show. Surprise, surprise. Apologise for my hair. I'm not looking my usual 10 out of 10. We are back in Wales. I'll get out of the wind because it's pretty windy. There is this mansion that we came to check out, and I believe them two are having a piss somewhere. Oh, we got a way in.
Is there a way around there? Whoa, that's a tight hole.
Fuck. Oh, but I'm going for it.
He's going for it!
This is Lloydie squeezing through a tight hole. How'd it feel?
Moist.
Good juicy. It's like a POV.
Just move them rocks. We're making it slippy.
How good would it be if you can't get into the main building from here?
You can't find any stairs.
Must be stairs, there's rooms down here.
Oh, sorted.
That's cool. This is really cool.
Nice.
Oh, that is ultimate light switch. Oh no, switches, they're like just weird things.
There's no switches.
Switches get bitches.
What, is it a pool? Oh, it's the way in. Oh. Well, you know, at least it was an adventure.
I've got it. Oh, that's cool.
Creepy. Art is whatever you can get away with. Don't waste energy being someone else. What is it with people like putting motivational quotes in abandoned buildings? This is the motivation room, as I like to call it.
Come on guys, let's get motivated. This is actually where Mr. Motivator hung himself.
Yes, this is Mr. Motivator's mansion.
We're not going to the end of the corridor.
Well, I don't think we're going to be going upstairs, boys. Well, look at the fucking stairs.
Well, still go up there.
I mean, you can still get up them.
Is it a write-off or
Oh.
what are we talking here? Oh, we're fine. Just...
No. I said wait there.
No, you can't light it. Does it work out?
You've got a lighter.
I don't know how these things work. I wasn't born in 1942.
It's just a paraffin lamp. There you go. There should be. You put paraffin in there, and that gets soaked with paraffin, and you light it.
How do I light it? How do I get in there?
Liquid. I don't know. It comes apart somehow.
Oh,
Figure it
suck a
out.
dick.
Jesus Christ! What is this fucking?
I think I'd pretty much rather just do that.
Educating Alex Harvey.
Educating Yorkshire. My hands smell like flammable liquid now.
My hands smell like fresh pussy. I haven't got the
Whoa, it stinks, does that?
Yeah, no.
It must have had paraffin in.
Light it.
Stinks.
You fucking lie. I don't know how to work it.
That's the top. Stinks, doesn't it?
It's got paraffin in it.
Did we not just say that?
Should we go outside to light it? Check the fucking thing out.
Oh, check it out. Oh, this is like a proper. We're like proper explorers now. Oh, let's go explore by lamplight. This is the first urban exploration I've ever seen by firelight.
How cool is that we actually found a
A
fucking
working
old lamp?
paraffin lamp.
Sorry, we found it. The rule is we're not allowed to use any other light.
Yeah, this is the only light we can use. Can't see shit.
Yeah, but we've got to
Shall I blast it up a bit?
Blast it up, bro.
We've got to roll with it.
There we go.
Are you tackling the stairs? It's in the floor upstairs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that sounded good.
So just wobble it. See? Just a wet fix.
Good luck, guys.
Holy there's another set of stairs.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I want to come up now. Where are you going?
Oh, you up? Did you come up the back?
I can't be bothered waiting.
Why don't you walk?
I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll do
It looks cool on camera. I said not. It looks like I'm in a Resident Evil game, doesn't it?
Like noisy part 2.
It's fucking horrible.
Part 3.
Will they run away?
Don't be scared. I'm friendly.
What?
It's a really dark room.
There's a massive hole there. Oh, I don't like this. I'm not going over that.
Oh, it's not. I thought it were a huge room. Cupboard.
Oh, the Star Wars action now for.
What? Is it a dead end? Is it a dead end?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck my life.
Right, what are we doing now?
Finding somewhere new.
Are we going down the treacherous stairs?
Because that's not
new.
that way.
Yeah, we haven't been up there. Not on. What are you doing? That's a modern light.
Sig,
Yeah,
man.
you can. Time for this sort of shit.
Can you see nothing?
Absolutely not.
This
What
is
part of fun in it? Come on, guys. Scary
Come
stuff.
on, guys, come on. There's a liquor on the mouldy walls. Do you know when you can't see the beams, you just got to guess how far away they are?
Another empty room?
Is it a fucking empty room?
Yeah.
Right, can I just break it to you all? Every single fucking room we're going to go in this
Can we not stay in the same spot for too long?
God, this is going to be dodgy.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm fucking shitting it. You know, you wish you hadn't have come up.
I might get halfway down. I might just jump it.
No, don't.
No, and don't jump it.
Because
I mean, you
wait,
can...
wait. Fucking hate my life sometimes. I can't.
Is that the wobbly one?
I don't.
That's the wobbly one.
How are we gonna get the camera down?
Oh, you might have to bag it. I'll put it in my pocket if you want and film you coming down because that's going to be the most comical.
Yeah, okay.
Am I going to be able to put that in my mouth?
Yeah, probably.
Oh no, it's warm and it stinks.
No, and can you somehow grab this camera? I'll bag it.
Just drop it to him.
I'm not fucking
No, if you
dropping
get
it.
down so far,
I don't want to get down so far with only one
you
hand.
can not see anything on this.
Yeah, this is why I need this.
Can you now?
Oh, why don't you come down?
No.
Right.
Not on,
Just right.
I'm not the one that takes drugs. I'm not on a come down.
I'm going to put it in the bag, and then you get it out of the bag and film.
Got it. You got it? Yeah.
Oh! Got that camera?
No,
Well, you know the wheel on
it
the
looks
front?
fine to be honest. Yeah, just put your feet in the middle. Voided. That's gonna go.
Oh my god. Oh my
Make sure
fucking,
you just stand in the middle.
Yeah.
fucking terrifying.
Yeah, that's what I did. That's what. You're all right on that one.
Oh my god. Might run down it.
I missed that one too. Yeah, I just went straight to that.
I've just realised
Going down.
something. We're fucking idiots.
Yeah, I know.
You go down this bit here.
Yeah.
Not on that
Well,
side.
you could have just even walked on that.
All that. Bunch of fucking morons.
This place is trying to kill us, isn't it?
I found something kind of interesting. And once upon a time, it would have been. Yeah, there's no point coming. Once upon a time, it had just been a way to get on the road, wasn't it? But it's all flooded now, so I'm getting attacked by fucking fawns. That was the other one.
Oh, okay. Duck under this because that one's mean.
They are quite badass, these fawns, aren't they? Look at them.
They have badass thorns. I get that. Yeah, as far as greenhouses go.
In fact, the camera doesn't really do it justice, does it?
I've just had a bare knuckle fist fight with nature to see that.
You're such a fucking Ned.
Where's Post Malone now?
He's in Cali.
Alright.
He's not really. I don't know where he is.
He's in West York.
Can
Why
ring
does
him
it
if
say
you want.
Stony?
Because that's the name of his album.
Why is it called Stony? Why isn't it not called Stoner? Is he just really bad at spelling?
He's dyslexic, isn't he?
Is it?
Mm.
So that'll be why it says Stony
Apparently
then.
smoking like cures being dyslexic,
Does it?
apparently. That's what I've heard. According to the Welsh...
What happens if you ain't got dyslexia and you smoke?
makes you smarter.
Huh?
According to the Welsh student board.
In America, they're all smoking on them.
That's a cig contest. Roll them, smoke and fuck off.
You're looking particularly ill today, Al.
Come on.
Oh, you don't look healthy.
I'm not ill. I'm sick.
You don't look like you've got any colour in you, you know what I mean?
I've been on holiday for a while.
Yeah, I know, but like Norton don't look as decrepit as you.
I'm a man of the...
But you've got red nose and red cheeks.
I'm a man of the outside, Al.
I'm a man
Do you know
about
what
town.
it
I'm
is? I
Jack
think
the
it's
Lad.
because you've got dark eyes. So you just look tired all the
Dark piercing
time.
eyes.
Yeah.
Sick.
You look like shit.
I'm not ill.
I've got the feeling that our videos are turning less from the exploring and more to just taking the piss out of each other.
Shut up.
Would you say that's an accurate...
No.
No?
I'll tell you what, this episode's a piss take. It's just been fucking bullshit, hasn't it? It looks this from outside, it looks like it could be full of historic treasures.
The shit part about these is fucking freezing. We're outside, we're getting attacked by... Why don't we just do the same things we do, but just take the abandoned buildings away?
Well, so you mean just sit in a warm room and slag each other
And
off?
smoke.
Yeah, and smoke ciggies.
Oh, you mean a podcast?
Did you say what I think you said?
We did try that before.
I think we should try it again, but a proper go.
Should we try it again?
Should we have a proper go?
Should we give it a go?
Right, okay, listen. If we get... How many likes do we normally get on a video?
10.
If we get 20 likes on it, we should leave it up to the viewers.
No, what are you on about? We're doing more when
Right,
we get back.
okay.
Right, are we going?
Yeah,
we're gonna do it
you want to
about
end
an
it?
hour.
Oh, no, you've
We've already ended
haven't
it,
you?
let's
Alright,
go.
bye.
Fucking hell. This has been a very, very challenging day. Not just for you watching, but for us in real time. So if you want to support the whole army, go over to upthehood.com and spend some cash.
Yeah, my arm's aching, so hurry up with it.
Blow the fucking thing out.
Yeah, boys, we're taking this with us. It's pretty cool.